Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of me cooking. Today, we're gonna make beef rendang, but first, we slice this beef into cubes. Let's chop the spices. I'm just gonna slice these lime leaves into thin slices. Then the rest will be in big chunks. Just for disclaimer, this is not an authentic beef rendang recipe as I do not have the proper ingredients. I only have what you call alternative ingredients that is available in my pantry. You might be wondering why I chop the spices into big chunks. It is because I'm going to use the food processor to make a paste. In Maranao, it is called palapa. By the way, in all spices, only the lime leaves was not included in the food processor. If you do not have a food processor at home, you can definitely use mortar and pestle to make palapa. If you have both and you are lazy, I recommend you use food processor. Once you have the palapa, marinate the beef with salt and palapa. Make sure that all spices are mixed well with the meat and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Once ready, saute the beef until the color is brown. Add ground roasted rice. This was supposed to be added earlier when we marinate the beef, but I forgot to make it. Oh well, better late than never. Simmer for a bit to reduce some liquid. Now that the liquid is reduced, add around 2 cups of coconut milk. You can also add the lime leaves at this time. Stir and simmer. Hold on, let me add some turmeric to add color. Again, I forgot to add this earlier when I marinate the beef. Now, we simmer in medium heat until the beef is tender. Stir frequently so that it will not stick to the bottom and burn the meat. Once the meat is tender, add salt and pepper, and chilies according to your taste. Originally, beef rendang is a spicy dry curry dish, but if you are not a spicy lover, then you can omit the chilies. Serve and enjoy!